Hello, everyone. Welcome to season 2 of the Sam podcast. We'll be talking about careers this season with me, Mr. Sam. And today we have a very special guest joining us to explore a fascinating and sometimes misunderstood career. Please welcome Miss Olivia Carter, a legal researcher and career advisor with a strong interest in creative industries.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. I'm excited to be here. And hello to all the listeners out there.
Today's topic is learn about the intellectual property lawyer.
Intellectual property. That sounds serious already.
It does. It sounds complex, maybe even intimidating.
But it's actually connected to music, movies, inventions, brands, technology, basically creativity.
Exactly. So let's start simple for our intermediate audience. Olivia, what is an intellectual property lawyer?
An intellectual property lawyer, often called an IP lawyer, is a legal professional who protects creations of the mind. That includes inventions, artistic works, logos, brand names, designs, and even software code.
So, not physical property like houses or cars,
No, not physical things. It's about ideas and creations.
but ideas are invisible. How can you protect something invisible?
That's the interesting part. The law gives creators legal rights over their creations.
Let's break that down further. There are different types of intellectual property, right?
Yes, there are four main types: patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets.
Okay, let's argue a little. Which one is the most important?
That depends.
No, choose one.
Fine. I'd say patents are extremely important because they protect inventions, new machines, medicine, technology.
I disagree. I think trademarks are more powerful in business. A logo or brand can be worth billions.
That's true, but without patents, many innovations wouldn't exist.
Okay, let's explain patents first.
Patents protect inventions. If someone invents a new medical device or software tool, a patent gives them exclusive rights to use and sell it for a certain number of years.
Meaning others can't copy it legally.
Exactly.
Now, trademarks.
Trademarks protect brand names, logos, slogans. For example, a company's symbol or unique name.
So when you see a logo and instantly recognize a company, that's trademark protection.
Yes, and that recognition equals trust and money.
Let's move to copyrights.
Copyright protects creative works, books, music, films, paintings, software code.
So if someone writes a song, copyright protects it from being copied.
Correct.
And trade secrets.
That's secret business information, like formulas or strategies that companies keep confidential.
So an IP lawyer works with all these areas.
Yes, but many specialize in one area.
Now, here's my first argument. Intellectual property law sounds exciting, but is it really?
Oh, absolutely.
Convince me.
Imagine helping an inventor protect a new medical breakthrough or helping an artist stop someone from stealing their music. That's meaningful work.
That does sound exciting.
IP lawyers often work with startups, tech companies, artists, engineers.
So they're connected to innovation and creativity.
Exactly.
But here's the counter argument. The paperwork must be intense.
Oh, it is. Very detailed documentation. Patent applications are extremely technical.
So you need patience.
And attention to detail.
Let's talk about daily work. What does an IP lawyer do on a normal day?
They might draft patent applications, register trademarks, review contracts involving intellectual property, negotiate licensing agreements.
And what happens if someone copies someone else's work?
That's infringement. IP lawyers can send warning letters, negotiate settlements, or even go to court.
Court. Now it sounds exciting again.
Yes, IP litigation can be intense.
But not all IP lawyers go to court, right?
Correct. Some focus only on registration and protection.
Let's debate another issue. Is IP law only for big corporations?
No, that's a myth.
Explain.
Small businesses, individual artists, app developers, YouTubers, even students can need IP protection.
So IP law affects everyday people too.
Absolutely.
Now let's discuss education. How does someone become an IP lawyer?
First, they complete a law degree. Then they specialize in intellectual property law.
And I've heard that patent lawyers often need a science or engineering background.
Yes, that's very important. Patent law requires understanding technical inventions.
So someone with a degree in engineering could become a patent lawyer.
Yes, after law school.
That's interesting.
IP law combines creativity and technical knowledge.
Now, let's talk about personality traits. Who should consider this career?
People who love innovation.
People who enjoy reading and writing carefully,
People who are analytical but also creative.
and people comfortable with complex rules.
Definitely.
Here's a challenging question. Does IP law limit creativity?
Interesting.
Some argue that strict protection can slow innovation.
That's a real debate.
For example, if ideas are too protected, others cannot build on them easily.
True, but without protection, creators may not feel safe sharing their ideas.
So there must be balance.
Exactly. IP law tries to balance protection and public access.
Let's talk about money. Is IP law financially rewarding?
Yes, especially in technology and corporate sectors.
Large tech companies pay well for strong IP lawyers.
But like any legal career, it depends on experience and location.
Now, let's discuss work-life balance.
It can be demanding, especially during major product launches or legal disputes.
But compared to criminal law, maybe less predictable.
Usually, yes.
Let's do a quick debate round.
All right?
IP law is too complicated for most people.
It's complex, but that's why specialists exist.
IP law only benefits big corporations.
It protects individual creators, too.
Technology will replace IP lawyers.
Technology helps, but human judgment is essential.
Strong answers.
Thank you.
Let's talk about real-life examples. Suppose a startup creates a new mobile app. What does an IP lawyer do?
They might trademark the app name, copyright the software code, and check that the app doesn't violate other companies' patents.
So they protect the startup from being sued.
Exactly. Prevention is key.
Another example, a musician finds their song copied online.
An IP lawyer can demand removal, negotiate compensation, or file a lawsuit if necessary.
That must feel powerful, defending creativity,
It does.
but also stressful.
Very. High-value intellectual property cases can involve millions of dollars.
Pressure must be intense.
Yes, especially in patent disputes between major companies.
Now, let's talk about global impact. IP law is international, right?
Yes, companies operate globally, so IP protection often crosses borders.
So IP lawyers may work with international treaties and foreign laws.
Correct. That adds complexity.
And opportunity. Before we close, let's summarize why intellectual property lawyers matter.
They protect innovation.
They protect creativity.
They protect business identity.
And they help maintain fairness and competition.
Without IP law, copying would be easy and innovation might decrease.
Before we close, let's summarize why intellectual property lawyers matter.
They protect innovation.
They protect creativity.
They protect business identity.
And they help maintain fairness and competition.
Without IP law, copying would be easy and innovation might decrease.
Final thoughts, Olivia.
Intellectual property lawyers stand at the intersection of law, creativity, and technology. It's a challenging career, but also deeply rewarding for those who love ideas and innovation.
Well said. Thank you, Olivia Carter, for joining us today.
Thank you for having me, Mr. Sam.
And thank you to our listeners. If you're interested in law, technology, or creative industries, intellectual property law might be the perfect career for you. Join us next time as we explore another exciting career.